I'm just going to put some needles in along the track of it just to try and help it a little bit. So, there's just some cleaning solution, okay? You're supposed to. I don't know. Well, there's not. So the freezing never feels good. Right? Just like at the dentist, it's a bit sharpest.
Gently, she just touched you a little bit.
Okay.
Keep breathing, baby.
It's just a little ball. From here, yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah. Ow, 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 ow.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'm just going to let that work for a few minutes now. I can't guarantee that's going to take it all away. You okay?
Yeah.
Not so much fun, okay?
Oh.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Still okay?
Yep.
Still gonna take your hair with me here. Sorry.
No, it's fine.
Done? All done.
Nice. Good
Look,
job.
I think we got the barbs too, which is good. How are you doing?
Oh, good.
Just hold still for a second, okay?
Oh, that probably is a big relief.
You okay? It's almost worse getting the freezing, right?
Yeah. It's
It's awful, but freezing often is the worst.
Yeah.
So good strong pulse is there. This one's always a tricky pulse to feel. But if you have a pulse distally down, you've got this one going too. Good, and I feel that one, so that's good. So just keep the knee like that for a bit, okay? I'm going to get another x-ray just to make sure there's no metal bits that were left behind, okay? Do you want this little guy as a member?
Yeah.
Yeah. They do. Most people do. I'll leave it for you. You can ask the nurses for a little bag there, okay? Maybe I should give it to one of you guys.
Paige, you can do it.
Thanks.
Put it in a biohazard. Yeah. Thanks for that.
Good.